The Tovertafel is a projector that emits lights and sound. It also has infrared sensors that detect hand movements, so it transforms any surface into an interactive surface. It is a pretty unique innovation for a few different reasons. First, it's co-designed with people with dementia. Second, it's evidence-based. Third, it's very easy to use. And lastly, it helps provide high quality of care for people living with dementia.
What intrigued me about the Tovertafel, it seems like a very innovative product, and since we are very tech-focused, it made it a relatively easy decision for us to, purchase the first one, and then over actually a fairly brief time to purchase 3 more of them because the response was so enthusiastic. Tovertafel's fun. All the games are fun.
There's 5 levels, and it starts from the lowest to the highest, lowest being the easiest games to interact with the residents. And then it goes to other levels for residents that are able to be a little more hands-on. Although they're not able to really communicate sometimes with each other, their form of communicating is getting together and playing around the table.
It's exciting to watch the different games on it, and it's exciting to watch the residents. You get to interact and play games with them, and everyone gets excited. It's a great impact on me watching my residents grow.
When I started at Andres on Hudson, I found Tovertafel on each floors, and residents were really enjoying playing with it. This device can be used for occupational therapy purpose as well, because it was providing eye-hand coordination, motor planning, sequencing, visual scanning. That really got me invested in the idea of using Tovertafel for rehab purpose.
It's not a scheduled activity. The Tovertafel is on.
It's used almost like every hour. We only close that one during mealtime and at bedtime.
There is a resident, she will not engage with myself or my staff, but the minute we had the Tovertafel, she loves the music box, and she could sit there and she makes up her own tunes, and then she also likes when people, around her, and it makes them spark up certain conversations that they won't even spark up with us.
What is my favorite game? Whack-a-mole. I love popping them little moles back in the holes, and the residents love it because it gets them reaching back and forth, great range of motion. It's a little exercise for them, I feel.
And I love that there are new games that come out every year. We wait for the updates, so we have new games to show our residents. That's always really fun.
The game that we use for the Tovertafel is the leaf, because it creates relaxation and calmness, especially with the sundowning residents. You could easily see immediately the change of mood, the shift from the agitation to the calmness. You could feel it.
The investment that's made, it's come back tenfold. I'd say try it out. It's going to sell itself.
It stimulates their brain activity, their physical mobility, and that could really bring the residents together.
It gives them something to look forward.
It's a useful tool in your everyday life in our nursing home.